Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set wallpaper in your Poco phone. Guys, you want to set wallpaper in your Poco phone. So as you can set, and guys, now let's see how to set wallpaper in our Poco phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how to set wallpaper. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set your wallpaper. Then guys, scroll guys, click on wallpaper. Then guys, you can see guys your online wallpaper guys. You can see cannot connect the network. So as you can connect network guys, you can set guys online wallpaper. So guys, we will click on profile, and guys I have this 24 wallpaper. So I will tap here. So which wallpaper guys you like guys, you can take from here. So as I like guys this mountain one, so I will take this one. As you can see, tap to view guys, you can check from here. Wallpaper will like that. Yes, apply option, set as both, and guys set as home screen, set as lock screen guys, where you want to set. Guys, I want to set guys both of wallpaper. So by setting wallpaper, wait here for 3 and 5 seconds. Wallpaper applied, and guys you can see guys your wallpaper has set it. New wallpaper guys in your Poco phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set wallpaper. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.